Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix the unarc.dll error. So this happens when you're unpacking a file. So it's a very simple fix. Let's get straight into it, shall we? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your search bar and type in run. Okay, alternatively you can use Windows key and the R key to open run. Okay, so once here you're going to type in temp, click on OK, just click on continue. Okay, and you should have a couple of files here. You're going to highlight everything and just click on the delete button. Okay, if it doesn't let you delete, just click on do all for current items and just delete. And if some files did not delete, just let it be, just skip those files since that are system files. Okay, so you don't have to delete all of the files. Okay, so once that is deleted, you're going to go into your run again, right here, run, and now in front and behind of the temp we're going to add percentage sign. So it'll be percentage temp percentage. Click on OK. Okay, here you're going to click Control A, highlight everything and click on delete. Okay, as you can see here some files cannot be deleted, so do this for all current items, skip. Okay, so these three are system files which are being used by the system, so we can just ignore those and then close it, fresh, and then restart your system. Okay guys, so once your system is restarted, you can go ahead and try to run the unpackaging of that file again, and you should not get the error. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, folks.